I think with this project, which is different than the previous 3 or 4 years that I've been involved with, is this has a narrower focus. What the focus does is, again, sort of, keeps the students focusing on the possibilities of what a project could be.
Just like any other furniture project, we are focusing primarily on fine furniture at Sheridan, so we're doing a lot of really strong joinery, and this project was no exception. We did that for these chairs as well. And after the joinery was done, now we're primarily working on assembly, making sure that they all come together, and then they'll be painted and ready to install.
Everyone has like kind of different ways to design, and I got to see them firsthand, and it kind of changed my kind of way I'm going to go about designing my next kind of pieces.
As the installation date is approaching, we're starting to get a little bit more excited, and we can kind of see the finish line. Things are coming together literally, so it's very exciting.